In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the tailgate latch on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located on the tailgate. Let's get started. Using a T15 bit, we're going to remove the 8 screws for the tailgate cover. Remove the cover. Unclip the rod for which latch you are going to be changing. In our case, it's going to be the passenger side. It'll be this top rod. We'll undo that plastic clip and pull the rod out of place. The process is the same for both sides. It's just whichever side will be which rod you disconnect. Remove the two 13mm bolts for the latch. Remove the bolt, pull the cable over. Pull the latch out. We're going to undo the plastic connector for the rod. Push on that tab, pull the rod out. Install the rod. Close that plastic clip on it. Make sure it locks into place. Pull the latch into place. I'm going to give this a little wipe. Get all the dust and dirt so it's not trapped under our latch. Behind the original latch, we had this locking washer on this back side. We're going to make sure we fit that up and drop our latch on top of it. I'm going to put the bolt through the cable and then get the bolt installed. Get it started by hand. Do the same thing in the front. Snug the bolts down. Install the rod into the handle assembly and close that clip on it. Install the tailgate cover. Get all of the screws started. Snug down all of the screws. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.